Belzona epoxy flooring system offers a durable, seamless, smooth, direct-to-concrete flooring for industrial and commercial facilities. This three-step system is easy to install without the use of specialist tools and minimal surface preparation. For this flooring, we chose a 1/4-inch vinyl flake blend. Belzona Flooring Solutions have been repairing damaged floors and installing new ones at various facilities globally. Schools, hospitals, car assembly, food manufacturing, warehouses, and many others. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to install a full broadcast floor system with Belzona. Once the concrete has been prepared and cleaned, mix Belzona 5231 base and solidifier according to the manufacturer's instruction for use. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared floor. Using a paintbrush, apply the material to the edges first. Then spread evenly across the entire floor, at the thickness as recommended by the manufacturer. Start broadcasting the flakes immediately following the application of the base coat. Use spiked shoes to walk on the freshly coated floor. For a full coverage, the flake should be broadcast to rejection. Using a clean paint roller, press the flakes into the coating to ensure optimal adhesion to the base coat. Once cured, remove the excess flakes completely. At this stage, the flakes can be scraped or sanded to remove any high spots or to smooth the surface and achieve a smooth floor on completion. Mix Belzona 5233 clear base and solidifier. Using a paintbrush, apply the mixed material to the edges first. Then apply the material evenly across the entire floor, ensuring optimal sealant of the flakes. It also provides protection to underlying concrete from grease, moisture, cracks, and chemical attack. The system is designed to work with locally sourced decorative color aggregates and chip flakes to create custom floor designs and looks. For more information on how Belzona Floor Solutions can assist you, visit www.belzona.com.